Good morning, Sanjeev Kumar, computer teacher. This video for class 7. In previous video, we discussed number system. Number system means representation of number. Many type of number system. We discuss 4 type of number system. Decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Look at this summary of number system. The number system has many type of representation of number. Decimal number system, we use 0 to 9, and this number system used for daily life. The face value of digit, the base of number system, the position of number system. In this number system, we look at 547 means 7 multiplied by 10, 0. When power is 0, then number represent only 1 means 7 multiplied by 1 equal to 7. 4 multiplied by 10 का power 1 means 10. 40. 5 multiplied with 10 का power 2, 10 power 2 means 10 into 10. 10 to 10 into 10 100 means 5 into 100 equal to 500. Now adding this number 0 0 0 0 0 and 5, 7, 40 and 500 means 547. In this number system, we saw the position value of each digit increase 10 folds. We move from right to left. In the above maintained example 5, 4 and 7, the face value of their place values are 100, tenth and unit respectively. The place value of a digit depend on its position in the number. Now discuss binary number system. Binary number system consists of only 2 digits, 0 and 1. All digits, digital computer use number system and convert input data from decimal format into a binary equivalent. Why binary? A computer cannot understand human language. Rather, it understands only the binary codes. Therefore, the data that is entered into a computer is converted into its binary equivalent. It further converts the binary result into its decimal equivalent to generate an outputs. How to convert decimal to binary and binary to decimal? First, write a number, then divide with base 2 as like 25, divided with 2, then remainder and 1 remain. 12 to the 24, remainder 1, we write 1, then 12 divided 2, 6, 6 divided 2, 3, remainder 0, then we write 0, 0 is the remainder, and then 3 divide with 2, 1 times, and remainder 1, write down 1, and 1 divide with 2, remainder 1, means, and writing the number bottom to top as like 1 1 0 0 1, same as example 2. Then binary to decimal conversion, we write down 1 0 1 0, then number 0 multiplied with base power 2 power 0, means when number power then 1, 0 into multiplied by 1, 0, because any number multiplied by 0 is number remains 0, and 1 multiplied by 2 power 1 means only 2, 2, 0 multiplied by 2 power 2, 2 to the 2 into 2, 2 to the 4 power 0, 4 multiplied by 0, then 0, and 1 into 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Then the addition of number 2 0 2 0 8, the total resultant is 10. Same as octal number system. Octal number system consists of 8 digit format from 0 to 7 with the base of 8. The concept of octal number system came from the Native Americans, as they used to count number by using the space between their fingers rather than using their fingers. The produce of octal number system convergence is similar to binary or to decimal convergence. The only difference of the change of base to convert octal number to decimal number, start multiplying the digits of number from right hand side with increasing power of 8 starting from 0, and finally calculating the sum of the product. Same as binary number system, 5 multiplied by a power 8 0, 5 into 1 5, 4 multiplied by 8 power 1 8, 4 32, then 5, 3 multiplied with 8 into 8 8 power 2, 8 8 64, and 64 3 ja 192. Then add is 5 32 and 192. We discuss conversion binary to decimal, decimal to binary, and octal to decimal. Same as our student practice this question. Thank you. We discuss in next video.